Today we'll draw a room using a vanishing point. First, we need to draw a rectangle in the middle of the paper. Then put a dot in the middle of the rectangle. That's going to be our vanishing point. So we'll draw everything coming from the vanishing point. So now we need to line up each corner of the rectangle with the vanishing point and draw a line outside of the rectangle. So make sure those two are lined up, and we are not drawing a line towards the corner of the paper. Just focus on the corner of the rectangle and line it up with the vanishing point. So line up the vanishing point with another corner and draw a line outside. As you can see, my lines are not going towards the corner of the paper. That's fine. So make sure you line up those two dots instead of drawing a line towards the corner of the paper. So now we have a basic room set up. Now we need to fill inside of the room with the furniture and any other things that we want to have. I'm going to add a couch right there that's pushed against the wall. So I am drawing a side view of the couch first, and then we'll go from there. So when you're done drawing the side view of your couch, now we will draw lines from the couch towards the vanishing point. When you have those lines, now we need to draw the other side of the couch that's parallel to the first line you drew. So try to make the lines go together. And then you can erase all the excess lines. Next, I'm going to add a coffee table in front of the couch. So I'm going to start from the vanishing point and draw a line. So as the table gets closer to us, it's going to be a little wider than the part that's far away from us. And I will draw a rectangle on the bottom. That's the side of the table. And then I will draw the table legs. Since the table is long, you cannot see the other two legs on the other side. This time I'm going to add a picture frame above the couch. And again, you should line up your ruler to your vanishing point and draw lines and draw the size of the frame that you want to have. So any of the vertical lines should be parallel to the edge of the paper. I'm erasing my lines because I saw the lines a little crooked. So I erased it and try to make it parallel to the edge of the paper. If you don't make the lines parallel to the edge of the paper, the objects will look like it's kind of tilted in an angle. It's not going to look realistic. Now I'm going to draw a little TV stand. So again, I will draw a side of it first. I'm going to draw a rectangle. And then I will connect the corners of it to the vanishing point to draw the side of it. Now I'm lining up each corner of the rectangle with the vanishing point and drawing lines. And again, any horizontal lines that you're drawing should be parallel to the edge of the paper on the top or bottom. And any vertical lines should be parallel to the side of the paper, left or right. So now I have the basic shape. I want to have 3 parts and I want to make the front side open. So I will draw lines like that. So I divided up the left side into 3 sections and drew lines with the vanishing point. So any horizontal lines should be parallel to the bottom or top of the paper. Okay, now I'm going to draw a TV. Even though I made a TV stand, I'm just going to make the TV attached to the wall. Same thing, I start from the vanishing point and I draw lines, and the vertical line is going to be parallel to the edge of the right side of the paper, and I will do the TV frame right now. I'm going to draw hardwood floor on the floor, and first I will measure and divide up the bottom of the rectangle at the same size, and then I will line up each dot with the vanishing point and draw lines. And wherever you meet the furnitures that you already drew, just stop the line and continue where the furniture line ends. I'm going to add some plants there. And I will add a light on the ceiling. Again, use the vanishing point. I'm drawing the side of it now. And now I want to decorate the wall that we're facing. So I'm going to add some curtains on the left and right side. And add the balcony doors. So door handles, and these are glass doors, so maybe I can draw what's outside a little lightly. And I add a door right there. And then a door handle. And we're done with the drawing.